this tomato.
So here we are. So today we are presenting our third video, but this time it's gonna be from a new apartment.
No, in England we call it flat.
Flat, yes, you're right. Flat. 29.
Yeah, we are in the third floor. Yeah.
Where are we?
In the third floor. So
Okay.
this is living room.
This is our living room.
Family room / study room.
Okay.
And
This is my
here's
studio.
the study room. And by the way, this is me and Christian,
Dancing, yes.
dancing when we
Somebody
were
took a
like
picture.
maybe 10 years
Yes.
younger, yeah. And we were slim at the time. So this is tomatoes plants. There are 2 plants in this big pot, and this is Thai chili. This
Okay.
area Thai chili, and this one is African chili, and this is my spring onions.
So the plan today is to go to a place near Farnham where they do what? I think it's a vineyard,
It's
yeah?
a hill, but you can view some fire.
Yeah, there is a vineyard around there, so we're gonna maybe take some shot with the drone.
Yeah.
Guys.
Guys.
So
Remember this, yeah?
yeah, just like and subscribe. Also, there's gonna be a news that our logo will be slightly different, yeah? Right?
Yeah.
Who's that? That looks like my wife on telly. Yeah. And if you haven't watched this video, you should watch it, right? Yeah. So cheesy, is it? Okay, that's it.
Andiamo. Baby is so childish, I'm so tired. I just hiked for 3 hours, yeah. No, I'm kidding. So now we are in the Saint Martha's Hill, but our first stop will be here. Can you see the church, Saint Martha's Church? Okay, let's go. Now, so we're going to set up our drone and we're going to fly it up. Okay. forget to watch all of our video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Yay!